Hello my viewers, this is your refrigeration trainer Naomi Shinda from Eldoret National Polytechnic here in Kenya. So today I'll demonstrate to you how to test continuity of this particular contact relay. This, as small as it looks, it is one of the components that serves a very big machine or equipment, a refrigeration equipment. So actually this contact relay uses a very small current to energize the electromagnetic that is inside here, which moves the armature to either open or close. So to either open or close in high power circuit equipment. So this is very, very important. So before that power gets to the compressor, this has to be there and it has to be in a good working condition for us to be able to power our equipment and so that it can be able to serve its purpose in that particular place. It is either in the industry and it's serving several rooms or halls in that particular place. Assuming it's an industry like where the beverages, soft drinks are made, or maybe in the breweries, you'll always find those water chillers. And when you look at the electrical panel where we have the control panel, you'll always find this particular component, which is known as a relay, a contact relay. So in my last video, I demonstrated how to test resistance, how to check the condition of the relay by use of resistance test. So today I'll show you how to be able to test the continuity. So that one is very simple, and most of us like it because it will always give you a sound and you'll be able to know whether it is the circuit is closed or the circuit is open. Now I'll be able to place, this is the digital multimeter. Let me demonstrate to you. This is a very nice digital multimeter, so always ensure that you have a digital multimeter. So you set it, when you want to check the continuity, you have to set it on the buzzer sound. Here, this indicates continuity. So you will set the knob to continuity. So, and ensure that you've connected your probes correctly. We have the red and black probe here. So the black goes to common and the red probe here goes to the V, ohms and hertz. So this digital multimeter helps us to test a lot of things, which I'll show you as we continue. But today I want us to check the continuity. So if the circuit is complete, it will produce a sound, and if it's not, there won't be any sound. So I'll check my relay again, and then I'll be able to place one of the probes there and one of the probes here. If you are keen enough, there is no sound that has been produced. So I'll go and place it on the next. The beeping is continuous. The beeping sound is continuous, meaning this particular side is complete. I hope you've heard the beeping sound. So that is how to test continuity. The same case applies to our domestic fridges. So even in our domestic refrigeration equipment, we always have the relay and the overload, and some will have even capacitors, both the start capacitor and the run capacitor. So all these electronic components are connected to the compressor. So you have to ensure that you check the resistance and even the continuity so that you can be able to tell whether it's working or not. Is it in a good working condition or is it faulty? So the same case, they also have a relay, but it doesn't look like this one. This particular contact relay is only used for the industrial equipment, industrial refrigeration plants. But we have the ones that are used for the domestic fridges, which maybe I'll show you later how it looks like and how to be able to test continuity. And I'll also show you in our next video how to check resistance of a domestic compressor, so that we can be aware of this and know how to go about anytime you're working with our refrigeration equipment or air conditioning.